Hey guys, and welcome back to another cosplay work in progress vlog. So today is going to be part 1 of 3, maybe 4 videos that I'm going to be doing for this next cosplay. My next cosplay is going to be Tennis Rosalina from Mario. We're going to be doing her shoes, a wig styling video, her tennis racket and crown. Those will be 2 in 1 for that one. And then the 4th one, it might be the dress, but maybe I'm not too comfortable with my sewing skills just yet to maybe show those on camera. But today we're gonna be working on the shoes. So let's go ahead and jump in and I will show you how I did her shoes. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna work on Rosalia's shoes. So I just went on Amazon and found the most plain basic shoes that I could find. What I was looking for is that they were a tennis shoe, like a sport looking tennis shoe that had a cut here and some kind of toe detailing. What we're going to be doing is we're just going to be repainting this and adding some pieces. I have this resin star. We're going to add 1 resin star to both shoes, kind of something like this, but this will be painted gold, and of course this will be kept white and the silver that's on it. And that's about it. This will be a pretty easy project to do. I'm hoping I can just do it all in one day today. Okay, my resin piece is still over here chilling, trying to finish setting up to where it's hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start painting the front and the back part with this Craft Smart Aquamarine paint. Squirt a little bit out and start painting it onto the shoes. I think I should use a smaller brush. Alright, that's one of them painted. I'm gonna go ahead and let this one dry while I paint the other one and then do a second layer. That's just about all the paint that I need to put on there. Just put my thumb in both of them. So let's go ahead and paint these stars. Pop this guy out. Oof! Came straight at my face. So yeah, we've got our stars here. They just need to be painted gold. Is this gold? Attaching 1 star to each shoe, and then it'll be on the outside of the shoe. So it's going to be attached kind of like this. We're going to be covering the entire shoe in a clear coat once it's all said and done. So at that point then we'll cover up the star. I'm going to hit it with some of my spray adhesive. This stuff is really good, but then I'm also going to put some hot glue on there to help it hold until the spray adhesive has time to completely dry. Okay. Hold it down on the shoe. I'm gonna hold it here for a couple minutes until I know that it's bonded. Okay, both of the stars are attached. So to give it just a little bit more of that Mario flair, I'm gonna take some black paint and I'm gonna draw the little eyeballs, which are just 2 little lines. cute. Let me do it on the other one. And then there's him. So cute. Alrighty, now that these are all done drying, I'm gonna go put a clear coat, and then I'm gonna put this Scotch Guard stuff, which is just like weather shield, which will keep it waterproof. Here is the final result of the shoes. We went ahead and put the clear coat and then the waterproofing on them. I think they look absolutely fabulous. Let me just set it down so I can show you one up close. I think they look absolutely fabulous. The little detail with the eyeball is so cute. Okay, the shoes are all done. I'm super happy with how those turned out. I can't wait to work on the rest of the cosplay. If you liked this video, go ahead and leave a like. If you have something you want to say, leave it in a comment down below. And if you want to see more, go ahead and hit subscribe. If not, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!